We are a Ukrainian IT company, and for the last 4 years we've been working on developing SaaS and Cloud solutions, CRM and ERP systems, high-load apps and IoT services. Hi, my name is Denis Babic. I'm CEO at DB2 Limited, and in this video I'd like to share my vision on how we could help you work smarter, get things done faster, and how to really step up your game as an enterprise. We know exactly how to help you produce a great, solid, easy-to-use, revolutionary software that would really make a hit. We will do research, build and clear, easy-to-understand user cases and behavior scripts in order for us to be able to deliver your product mockups, prototypes and user interfaces. We will put together a team of top-notch professionals for you in order to offer a truly tailor-made solution that would really meet a need. It's been said that Ukrainian developers are second to none, and we're lucky to have some of the best developers in the industry who are tough, relentless and highly professional. We are really friendly, down to earth, but willing to speak our minds and offer out-of-the-box, non-standard solutions. We provide and deliver the best product development experience possible. We value your time, your money and your resources. We offer a real hands-on experience where you have a lot of say-so as a client. A lot of communication is done on a daily basis. A great deal of planning goes into each and every end-to-end project. We think it's through well in advance in order to provide the client with the proper service and timely support. Our QA engineers are tough and highly professional. We are going to make sure that the product you get is rock solid, runs smoothly and is of superior quality. At the end of the day, we guarantee you a gorgeous product which would be unique, scalable and would really meet your need. We would like to build a long-term relationship and looking for some serious partnership. If you are interested in creating a great product and getting yourself a partner you could really trust and rely on, please contact me at db2.io.